Hi, my name's Aylin, and I'm going to be doing a series explaining the history of QSMP in its first 100 days. This series can be for anyone who wants to start watching the series or needs to catch up with the lore or wants to learn more about the secrets of the SMP. I'll be covering characters as well as major events that happen on the island. Today's video is about the recently returned binary code entity, or simply the Code. The Code first appeared on April 5th, 2 days after the first eggs were adopted, and was first seen by Philza after he raided a giant airship with loot that was illegal for him to own at the time. The Code chased Philza from the airship back towards the main area of Quesadilla Island. The first time the Code appeared, it had the appearance of a player's skin with black and green patterns on it, similar to a cliché page of hacker's coding. After the first appearance, the Code changes to its current form of a hollow cylinder of multiple lines of numbers and code. 4 lines of the binary in the code translate to QSMP. Code has appeared a total of 15 times, often showing up for a few days at a time before disappearing for a few weeks. Its most recent appearance being on day 101, where it scouted out the Egg Hotel built by Forever. The Code has gotten stronger as time has passed and has also gained new abilities. The Code can spawn mobs to help it fight the players, creating confusing situations that has ended in the deaths of both players and eggs. It's theorized that the Code cannot be killed by damage caused by players, but can be killed by damage from the environment and other mobs, since it was killed once by a bomb, once by an iron golem, and has died from fall damage a few times when it crashed while flying with its elytra. The common warning sign that the Code is going to appear is if the time of day suddenly changes, speeding from day to night. There is a theory that the Code is or was an egg in the past. This theory is because when Philza first encountered the Code, he was able to open a birth certificate when clicking on the Code and was able to name it. When Philza realized this, he tried to talk with the Code, but it ignored him and continued to attack. The Code's ability to change its name is important because the Code will change its name to the binary equivalent of the first letter of a player or egg's name. The Code is responsible for 3 eggs losing a life: Bobby, Tallulah, and Dapper, each time taking the egg's first lost life. The Code is currently targeting Palm, but seems willing to attack and take the second life of any other egg it has the chance to, evidenced by its attempts to kill Ramon and take his final life. Ramon was only spared due to a technicality. The Code monster is the current greatest threat known to the eggs and has left a lasting mark on everyone who has met it and fought it.